Hi everybody. This is the first game I ever made on Visual Studio C Sharp. It's for my college Full Sail, and it's for Programming 1. I basically made a game where it's a guessing game, and you have to guess between 1 to 1,000. And once you get the number correct, it says you won, and you have to try and guess the number by seeing if it's too high or too low, and then try and guessing the right number. So this is how it works. You press start. It says this is a guessing game. Pick a number between 1 to 1,000. 500. It's too high. 250. Too high. 100. Too low. 150. It's too low. 200. Too low. 225. It's too high. 215. It's too high. 210. It's too high. 205. It's too low. 207. Getting there. It's too high, so 206 should work. And the number 206 is the correct answer. You have won. Would you like to try again? Press the R key to retry, or any other key to then R to exit the game. And I will exit the game. And that is basically how it works. Thank you.